Hi everyone, my name is Sam Josiah and I'm here to teach you how to make loop. In the video, I'm going to make use 6 strings and I made the light one end of the light pink longer. You fold it in half, then use your left hand and go back a little from the middle. Make a 4, which is a forward knot, and pull. Then this is a D. It's a backward knot. So you're just doing the opposite of a forward knot. And repeat that same step. Make a forward knot, then make a backward knot. Make a forward knot again, and make a backward knot. A forward knot. That's it. Now that we've reached the end, you can see this side coming forward instead of backward, because I started with a forward knot instead of a backward knot. Now it's an easy way to fix it. Just make a backward knot and pull it. The length of the loop depends on how you want to start your bracelet. If you like my video, please leave a like and watch my other tutorials. Thank you.